Happy birthday, Ate Emma! Enjoy your day. I love you. I miss you.
Pupunta kami dyan.
Good afternoon po. Happy birthday po, Auntie Emma. More birthday to come. Stay healthy at ingat po kayo palagi. We miss you po. We love you. See you soon.
Good evening po. Ngayon lang po ako nakapag-check out ng cellphone. Happy birthday po, Tita Emma. More birthday to comes. And sana po all staying healthy. At ingat po kayo po lagi. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lola Emma. I miss you. I love you. Ingat kayo dyan.
Hello, Auntie Emma. Happy birthday po. We wish you more birthdays to come. Mag-iingat ka po palagi. We love you, Auntie Emma.
Hello po, good day. Happy birthday po, Auntie Emma. May wish po ay more birthday to come to you po and good health always. Ingat ka po palagi. I miss you po.
Hi, Auntie Emma. Happy birthday po. More birthday to come. Stay healthy. And ingat po kayo palagi. I miss you po.
Hi, Nang Em. Happy 10th birthday. God bless you always and good health. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Auntie Ma.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ma. Happy 80th birthday. I love you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Auntie Ems, happy birthday and good health. God bless you. Love you. Hello po, Auntie Ma. Happy 80th birthday po sa inyo. More celebration, more birthdays to come. And good health po para sa inyo. At lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Sana one of these days maka-vacation po ulit kayo sa Aklan. Hoping to see you again. At God bless po.
Happy birthday, Mama. So, you're already 80 years old. So, wish you sana maging healthy ka pa. Stay strong. Alam ko minsan lang tayo magkita pero alam mo naman ang situation. So, but I'm happy for you and wish you all happiness and healthy and be strong. So today, sinurprise kami nila kasi pinapunta ko sila dyan with lots of food. So enjoy your day. See you next year. Bye.